Hey Kickstarter, my name is Rebecca Lee and I'm the co-founder of Rotate. I forgot, wait.
Get crazy, get wild.
Hey Kickstarter, I'm Rebecca Lee and I'm the co-founder of Rotate. I've always loved tinkering and putting things together and fascinated by how mechanical watches work without any batteries. So I took it upon myself to figure out how the process works and fell in love with watchmaking along the way. As I've gone through the process of building watches many times, I quickly noticed a lot of inefficiencies in the watchmaking process. For one, watchmakers source parts and tools from dozens of separate suppliers to build a single watch. Shipping from all over the world takes months, and there's always broken pieces that must be reordered. On top of all that, there was never a clear guide explaining how to put the watches together. After years of thinking around these issues and developing my own ideas, I'm so happy to finally introduce you to Rotate. Rotate offers all-in-one watchmaking kits that give you all the parts and tools you need, as well as a user-friendly guide on putting it all together. Every kit has been meticulously checked for quality and designed with a keen eye. We've cut out all the inefficiencies of watchmaking so you can enjoy building a watch with minimum stressors. We have 3 kits to choose from, all are mechanical watches, but with very different styles. The right. This design features a classical look, complete with earthy tones. It's smooth, refined, and stylish, guaranteed to provide that sophisticated look you desire. The Galileo. The Galileo possesses a rich blue reminiscent of the cosmos. What better complements a dreamer than a watch that captures the mystique of the stars, a fascination that has entranced humankind for a millennia. The Edison. Sometimes you want something that is simple and elegant, something that isn't gaudy but commands a certain dignity. The Edison is your answer. It features a design that gives you the versatility to work with any wardrobe for any occasion. At this point, our team at Rotate has finalized the design, streamlined supply chain operations, and assembled a user-friendly guide. The money from this Kickstarter will be used to manufacture the first batch of Rotate kits. Production of the kits will begin as soon as our project is successfully completed. We're based in sunny Los Angeles, California, and our production facilities are both domestic and overseas. Eventually, we want to bring all production inside the US, and by supporting our Kickstarter, you are helping us get there. Thank you so much for watching this video and for supporting us. As a budding company, your help is crucial in helping us grow. We're honored to be offering our exclusive reward tiers on Kickstarter for the first time. Please check out the tiers, and you can find our contact information at the bottom of our campaign. I'm so excited to be sharing my passion with you, and I hope you enjoy building watches as much as we do.